In this video, I will guide you to quick way to insert a vertical line in MS Word document. So how you can do that? For example, you want to insert a vertical line for this paragraph. You need to select the paragraph and go to the Home tab. Under the paragraph group, you need to click on the Borders drop down menu and you need to select the left border, and this is, you can see that a vertical line is inserted, and if you remove the spaces between the two paragraphs, the vertical line will be automatically extended. So another way is that go to the Insert tab and click on the shapes. Select the line option and hold the shift key and drag the mouse to draw a perfectly straight line. Right click on the dot line, go to the Format, Shape, and on the right side window pane you will see that multiple options. You need to click on the solid line. Select the color of your choice. For example, I am selecting red one. Increase the thickness as per your need. Increase the transparency as per your choice. And in the dash type, there are multiple options. Here you need to select the round dotted line, and this is the dash line, this is the dash dot line, and this is the long dash, and this is the long dash and dot line. So you can also hold the shift key and increase the length of the line. Now you can when you see the four side arrow, you can place it anywhere on the Word document, like this one. I have increased the size of the vertical line according to these two paragraphs. Make sure you must press the shift key, otherwise the line will not be perfectly straight. You can also copy and Control V and make another line and drag to the other side of the paragraphs and change the dash type to simple square dot line. So in this way you can easily write a vertical line in MS Word document. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.